Dahil kahiyan sa mga tao, especially if your business is a family business, bayanihan, act of working together to achieve a common goal. This is really influence entrepreneurs. In what way? So, paano nga ba? For example, you want to set up a new business, you won't be struggle to find people help you dahil maraming taong gustong tumulong sa iyo.
In conclusion, cultural values enhance our business in a way that these values help us achieve our goals.
That's all.
Wala pa example ng lain? Okay, give an example about bayanihan.
So sa business sir, so may kanang mga problema sir, may problem ba? May problem sa yung business. So ginahanglan gid nga magkinabangay mo kay imong napaya ikuan na dili kaya sa isa ka tawo lang ang paghandle lang ang problema sa kinahanglan gid ingat kung hangay na buhaton para ma-solusyonan natin ang problema.
Yes, of course. There should be collaboration, teamwork, and unity. And that pertains to bayanihan. Even on good class load with a higher or top management level na, hindi na nila masolve ang problema if the